Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain chapter 4, that is chemical kinetics. Now, what do you mean by chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics, the branch of physical chemistry in which rate of reaction and their mechanism are studied, is called chemical kinetics. Now, all the chemical reactions are mainly classified into three groups. First one is the slow reaction. As the name suggests, slow reaction means that takes place very slowly. Fast reaction means that takes place very fast. And moderate reaction which takes place neither very fast nor very slow. ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा तेज होता है रिएक्शन, ना बहुत जल्दी ज़्यादा स्लो होता है. That is known as the moderate reaction. Example is hydrolysis of ester. In chemical kinetics, only third type of reaction is studied. That means only moderate reaction is studied. Now, rate of reaction. Rate of a chemical reaction is equal to the change in concentration of reactant and product per time, per unit time. It can also be defined as the speed of reaction in which reactant are converted into product. Let us take an example in which A plus B are the reactant which changes into the product. Product are C and D. Now, as the reaction proceeds, the concentration of the reactant decreases and the concentration of the product increases. जैसे जैसे रिएक्शन होता है तो रिएक्टेंट की क्वांटिटी कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज होने लगता है और प्रोडक्ट का कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज होने लगता है. So, rate of reaction is equal to decrease in concentration of reactant or increase in concentration of the product per time interval. It can also be expressed by two methods. First one is the average rate. Average rate means this rate reaction represent changes in concentration during the time interval. Average rate expression can also be written as average rate can be written as decrease in concentration. Negative sign indicates the decrease in concentration and the positive sign indicates the increase in concentration. So decrease in concentration, decrease किसका किसका हुआ है? Reactant का A और B, और increase किसका हुआ है? C और D. That are the product. Instantaneous rate means this rate represents change in concentration at particular instant or time. If dt is the smallest time interval, then the corresponding change in concentration will be dx. Now, instantaneous rate will be written as dx upon dt. Now, for the concentration, d is the small change in concentration. Okay, so it will be minus dA upon dt. Now, in average rate of reaction, we use del, and in instantaneous rate of reaction, we use small d for change in concentration. Now, factors affecting the rate of reaction. सबसे पहला फैक्टर जो अफेक्ट करता है वो होता है concentration. With the increase in the concentration, the rate of the chemical reaction also increases. So, it is directly proportional to the rate is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant. मीन्स जैसे जैसे कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज होता है वैसे वैसे रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन भी इसका इंक्रीज होता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज द टेम्परेचर. रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द टेम्परेचर. सो व्हेन द टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेज then the rate of reaction become double or triple. Next one is the pressure. Rate of reaction is also directly proportional to the pressure. Directly proportional means होता है जब pressure increase होगा तो rate of reaction भी increase होगा. Due to increase of pressure of gas, effective collision of gas molecules increases. प्रेशर इंक्रीज होने पे कॉलिजन भी इंक्रीज हो जाता है, टकराव जो होता है गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स का इंक्रीज हो जाता है, इस वजह से रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इंक्रीज हो जाता है. नाउ कैटलिस्ट. कैटलिस्ट आर दो सब्सटेंस विच इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज द रेट ऑफ अ रिएक्शन विदाउट चेंजिंग इट्स कंपोजिशन. उसकी कंपोजिशन को चेंज किए बिना रिएक्शन के रेट को इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज कर देता है. So, in the presence of catalyst, activation energy also increases. Therefore, rate of activation energy decreases, so the rate of reaction will increase. Now, presence of radiation. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the presence of radiation. Because in the presence of radiation of proper wavelength, the activation energy of the reactant molecules which required to change reactant molecule in the product into product to gain sunlight. तो जैसे ही रेडिएशन फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन में, फोटोकेमिकल मीन्स दैट टेक्स प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, So when the rate of photochemical reaction is directly proportional to the presence of radiations. Now surface area, rate of reaction also increases due to increase in surface area. Next is rate law or rate expression. Rate of chemical reaction in a given temperature depend upon the concentration of various reactants. So rate of a chemical reaction depend upon the concentration. Concentration के ऊपर rate of reaction depend करता है. जैसे ही concentration increase होता है, rate of reaction भी increase हो जाता है. Molecularity, number of molecules which is present in elementary step of chemical reaction is called molecularity of a reaction. जितने मॉलिक्यूल्स पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं रिएक्शन में वो उसकी मॉलिकुलरिटी कहला जाती है. लाइक इन द यूनिमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन O3 in the N2O5 it dissociate to form N2O4 plus half oxygen molecules. In bimolecular reactions 2 molecules are participating, hydrogen and iodine, and in trimolecular reaction 3 molecules are participating, 2 molecules of sodium and 1 molecules of chlorine. Order of a reaction. The sum of all the power of concentration of reactant involved in rate law expression is called order of reaction. Now, in the case of this general reaction, A plus BB will give the product. So, rate law can be expressed as rate of reaction is directly proportional to the A power of concentration M and B is to power to the concentration N. Or rate of expression is equal to K, A, M and N. That means order of reaction will be equal to the sum of power of concentration. What is the power of concentration here? M and N. So it will be equal to the M plus N. Now characteristics of order of reaction. Now order of reaction is an experimentally determined quantity. It may be 0, fraction or integer. Order of reaction can be written or determined from the balanced equation, and it can be changed with the condition like temperature, pressure, medium, etc. Types of order of reaction. First order reaction. The reaction in which rate is directly proportional to the power of concentration is called first order reaction. जिस रिएक्शन में रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन पावर ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन में डिपेंड करती है, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पे डिपेंड करती है पावर ऑफ वन कंसंट्रेशन, that is OA will give the product. So it depends upon only the concentration of A. Here is the example like hydrogen peroxide. So it depends upon the concentration of hydrogen peroxide. So order of reaction will be 1. Second order of reaction in which the rate of reaction is equal to the proportional to the concentration of power of two concentrations, H2 and I2. So here it depends upon the power of two concentrations. So it will be 2. Order of reaction will be 2. Like in the ester hydrolysis in basic medium, RCOOR plus NaOH. So rate of concentration depends upon the RCOR and NaOH. So order of reaction will be 2. Similarly, third power reaction in which rate is directly proportional to the power of 3 concentration is called third order reaction. Like in this reaction ferric chloride and tin chloride SnCl2. Rate of concentration depends upon the ferric chloride, the concentration of ferric chloride twice and the SnCl2. So the rate of reaction is equal to the order of reaction is equal to 3. Now pseudo first order reaction. Those reactions which are not truly first order reaction but shows the first order kinetics under a special condition. This type of reaction is called pseudo first order reaction. Means the reaction having molecularity greater than or equal to 2 but order of reaction is 1. That is known as the pseudo first order reaction. It is same as first order reaction. Zero order reactions are those which are not affected by the concentration of reactant. The rate of such reactants remain constant for zero order reaction. Half-life of period of first order reaction. Half-life means time required in which concentration of the reactant remain half of its initial concentration. यानी reaction जब half complete हो जाता है उसकी concentration जब हम check करते हैं तो उसको half life period of a reaction बोलते हैं. It is denoted by T half. Okay. Collision theory. This theory was given by Arrhenius. According to this theory, a chemical reaction takes place by collision between the reactant molecules. जब reactant molecule के बीच में collision होता है, टकराव होता है, तभी chemical reaction होता है. Important point of this theory was a reaction takes place as a result of collision between the reactant molecules, and all the collision does not result in the formation of product. सारे कॉलिजन से प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता है. ओनली फ्यू कॉलिजन कन्वर्ट देम इनटू द प्रोडक्ट, एंड दिस इज नोन एज द इफेक्टिव कॉलिजन. फॉर द इफेक्टिव कॉलिजन, टू कंडीशंस आर देयर. द मॉलिक्यूल्स विच हैव थ्रेशहोल्ड एनर्जी गिव्स इफेक्टिव कॉलिजन, and the reacting molecule must be collide with proper orientation. Now, what is an activation energy? The minimum amount of energy which is required to reactant molecules to become equal to threshold energy is known as activation energy. An activated complex, when reactant molecule convert into the product, they have the highest energy point, which is known as the activated complex. I hope you all have understood this. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.